Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can log in to CapCut PC. So there's going to be a sign in button here. You're just going to select sign in. You can sign in with TikTok, use the QR code on your CapCut mobile app, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Google. Now I sign in with TikTok, so I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm just going to sign in real quick on the left here because I gotta type some stuff. Trying so hard to type faster. And it says login success, so I'm just going to open up CapCut again, and as you can see I have the account here, and that's pretty much how you can log in to your CapCut account on PC. Super simple and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!